Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time zone from where you are watching. Okay, today I am going to be showing everyone how to put up the concrete fascia. It's a pretty simple thing. Most persons decides to use slab. Some persons go for brickworks, but it's a pretty simple thing to do here in the ArchiCAD software. So work with me. I'll go to my object. There you have it. Go to my object. So I'm trying to basic library. Alright, you have the concrete fascia. You can decide to choose any model of your choice. This, 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 crown 4, crown 6, crown 3, crown 2. Pick any size. Don't forget to use the needed dimension. I like using this. Looks simple. Like using this. Okay, I can decide to change my forces to make it look bigger. There you have it. It's a pretty easy thing to do here in the ArchiCAD software using your concrete feature. Like I told you, some people I want to use wall, or they use the slab system. For those that will find it difficult doing that, you can easily do this as I'm showing you. So drag. This is a pre-designed structure. I decided to use it to show you guys simple way to put up your concrete fascia. They're lovely, lovely, lovely. And don't forget, you can always redesign. There's no end to designing. The only end is your imagination. And of course, your system capacity. The only end is your imagination and of course your system capacity. As an architect, you can do a whole lot from your imagination. Don't think small. Don't think small like I told you. Think big. Beginners, it's always easy when you start practicing. Professionals, it gets better when you keep on practicing. There's no end to anything. The end is just the beginning. So this is how to, I'm almost done. So you see how it looks like. I'm almost done with the concrete fascia. Some call it parapets, but the right word is the concrete fascia body. The concrete fascia body. This should be a beautiful piece of art after I'm done. Should be a beautiful piece of art. define your elements. You can equally use the mock option to do this. Like I told you, as an architect, there are pretty different ways to come about doing your designing. There are pretty different ways to do. You can import files. You can import files as an ArchiCAD user. You don't have to wait for the big opportunity to do. You start from small. So I'm done with the concrete facia. Let's see how it looks like. There you have it. There you have it. Can decide to change the coloring. Can decide to change the coloring. We'll make it white. So let's look for white. It should do it. So you have to put up your concrete facia, and voila, can easily add your roof. I have a pre-designed roof I was working with. So you can design to add your roof. I told you this was a pre-designed structure. You will not want to know the regular hours I put into doing this. Here you have it. The concrete facial makes it looks unique. For education, this is a school plan I designed a few months back for a client. So I'm using it to show you guys for ArchiCAD beginners how to put up your concrete fascia. So after little touches, rendering, let's do some low rendering. There's no end to anything you can achieve as an ArchiCAD user. The end is your imagination. Just put in the work, put in the work. There you have it. Don't forget, this is not the end. This is not the end. I can show you a finished work of this project and you will love it. You will love what came out of it. Can assure you. Alright, you have it. This looks great. So at the end of the day, we should be having something like this. A beautified structure. This is a two-story building, school plan, construction ongoing here in Port Harcourt. If you want better design, the end is just your imagination. You can design anything. Can design anything. I'm trying to work on my timing here. So at the end of the day, you should be having something unique as this. Oh, this should do. Yeah, you have something like this, and it's beautiful watching you have a unique design after hours of work. So you want a better view at night, there you have it. So it's usually your imagination, an idea put into practice that can give you something like this. So this is what came out from the structure I just showed you guys how to use the concrete facia. So it's usually lovely working with ArchiCAD. So stay tuned as we walk through this journey. Thank you.